Şeylerin olduğu yerde bitiyor bak. Biraz dönüyor ya, şöyle bir çıkacak. Oradan sonra biraz rahatlarız ya. Sonra ineceğiz ya. Birinci gün kampımızı bitirdik. Şimdi buradan yola çıkıyoruz. Gene biraz tırmanış var. Uçmakdere'yi bitireceğiz bugün. Şarköy'de geçeceğiz. Şarköy'den sonra da biraz tırmanış var. Ondan sonra Gelibolu'ya doğru gideceğiz. Yolda görüşürüz. Evet, tırmanmaya başladık yine. Bayağı zorlu bir yol. Şu manzarayı görmeye, şu güzellikleri görmeye değer. Dinlene dinlene çıkılabilir. Kumbağadan ilk başladığınız zaman çok zorluyor. İlk tırmanışlar çok sert. İlk tırmanışları yaptıktan sonra gerisi zaten kolay geliyor. İnişli çıkışları, düz alanlar var. I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red, oh. Everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares.
kalabalık ama genç.
Hala geliyorlar değil mi?
Tabii tabii.
Ne zamana kadar devam eder böyle?
Abi uçuş yaz kış oluyor.
Yağmurda falan uçuyor musunuz?
Yağmurda uçmuyoruz abi.
Ha.
Yani yağmur dindikten sonra uçuyoruz ama yağmur yağarken.
Yağış varken olmuyor.
Ya havada yakalanırsan yağmura sıkıntı olmuyor. Ama yağmurda uçmuyoruz yani. Malzeme
Riskli.
ıslanacak.
Ha.
Havada yakalanırsak da bir an önce inmeye bakıyoruz yani.
Tabii. Hadi kolay gelsin.
Everything that you did, that you said, I don't think you understand what you're doing. And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
İzmir'e kafa ata ata gidiyoruz. Çok fena. Ankara'dan esiyor. Bakla. İyi. Kolay gelsin. Senden de. Bagaj vidası demiri düşmüş. Bu da demin diskin arasına girmiş. İnanılmaz bir şey ya. Nasıl oldu böyle bir şey? Burada bir tane Allah'tan vida vardı fazladan, onu oraya takacağım. Allah korumuş ya. Vallahi. Tamamdır. Allah'tan şu yol kenarında durmuştum, video çekiyordum. Bir baktım teker dönmüyor. Takılıyor. Allah'tan giderken olmadı. Evet, yolda böyle şeyler oluyor. Allah'a şükür hallettik. Yola devam edeceğiz. Oo. Çok iyi. Harika'da yemeğimizi yedik. Çayımızı içtik. Şimdi yola devam ediyoruz. Hello. Where are you from?
From Poland.
Poland.
And you?
Turkey. From Istanbul.
From Istanbul?
Yes, yes.
We ride on this Istanbul.
We start Istanbul.
Okay.
You?
Antalya.
Antalya.
We spent here 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
Shaft. Nice, nice. Hello, hello. How are you?
It's okay.
It's okay. Hello. How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Yasin.
Tom, hi.
Lucas.
Yasin. Yasin, nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Istanbul. Istanbul to Çanakkale.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
But our colleague.
Yeah. You look good. You look
But I
fine.
don't feel good.
Okay, be careful.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Önemli değil ya. Bye bye Tom. Nice to meet you. Bye bye.